Believe me when I say abortion is not the solution. Imagine saying toss coin in this kind of deal. Heads, you live, tails, you die. If you think you're right, only 50% chance of survival. And how would you feel if that chance, that very chance to live, would be preferred to be taken away from you? Ladies and gentlemen, thousands of children right now are in the very situation where their chance to live has been taken away just because of someone's choice. That choice is abortion, and that someone is their mother. Many women choose to abort their babies, but for them, it's their only way out. But let's come to think of it. Do they have the right? Well, if they can be responsible enough of having a baby, they should not have a protected sex in the first place. They can just take away the right of the baby to live to avoid their responsibility. It's definitely immoral, and it's totally unfair for the baby. Well, some of you might ask, what about those victims of rape or incest? Do they have no right? After all, they did not want what happened in the first place. I understand if you would suggest that it would be better for the baby to be aborted than to let them go in a home where they will just feel unwanted. But that's also considered as well, that just because a baby is unwanted doesn't mean it's destined to be unwanted for the rest of his life. The mother can love her baby, then give the baby out for adoption. Give the baby away instead of killing him. By that, the baby can both have the chance to live and the chance to grow in a loving home, knowing that even though his mother or father may not have wanted him, someone else does. You know, we should be truly thankful for our mothers, because they made a decision to keep us. Let's be reminded of those unlucky ones. The time comes when we will get pregnant, or the wives of you guys will get pregnant. Let's be reminded of what our mothers did. Let's follow them wherein